Show everybody. What are you crawling? Guinness is looking very leery. Up, and you pulled Guinness's hair. Now Guinness is walking away. I'm sorry, Guinness. I needed to use you to get a picture of her crawling. Good job! Yay! Good job. Ellie! Smile for the camera! Ellie! Give me a big smile. No? No smiles? Alright, face plants? Alright. Yay! Good job! Yay! Goodbye.